Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the current Node.js version on Ubuntu. Let us start. First go to Show Apps, click on it, type terminal, click on the terminal to open it. Now here let us type sudo apt update so that we can update. First press enter, add the admin password. After entering, press enter. It will update the packages which require updates. Here it is. Now let us install Node.js. Type sudo apt install Node.js and also mention -y. So this will be a default yes for the prompts. Press enter. Okay, it should be apt. Press enter and it will install Node.js. We have installed it. Let us check. Type the command node space -v and press enter. The version is visible, that means we successfully installed it. Let us check for npm also. Npm is node package manager. Type npm space -v and press enter. So we did not install npm, correct? It is also showing us the command to install npm. We will use the same command. Okay, that is sudo space apt install npm. Also mention -y for the same reason. Press enter. So this will install node package manager also. Guys, we successfully installed npm. Let us verify. Type the command npm -v and press enter. The version is visible, that means we successfully installed npm. So guys, we saw how to install Node.js and Node Package Manager. For free tutorials, refer to the links in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.